Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today's video topic is if airplane mode stuck in Windows 11. In this video, let's fix this. First, just restart your laptop and check. If the issue is still there, move to the first method. Some laptops also have a dedicated airplane mode key. Check your keyboard, it can help you to disable the airplane mode. The next method you can try is reinstall network adapter. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Device Manager. After that, click on this option Network Adapters, expand this option. Now you have to right click on your Wi-Fi driver, right click on it, then click on this option Uninstall Device, click on it, and then click on Uninstall. After uninstalling this device, restart your system. It will automatically reinstall your network driver again. The next method you can try is network reset. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. On the left side, click on this option network and internet. On the right side, scroll down, then click on this option advanced network settings, click on it. And here you will see this option network reset, click on it. Now you have to click on this option reset now. So this will reset your network settings only. After network reset, restart your laptop and check. So click on this option network reset, and after that restart your laptop and check. The next method you can try is restart network services. For this, you have to again right click on this Windows icon, then click on this run option. So this will open run command. After that, you have to type this command, then click on OK. So this will open Windows services like this. Now you have to restart some Windows services. So the first service will be radio management service. So right click on this service, then click on restart. The next service will be network connections. Right click on it, then click on restart. After that, restart this service, network list service. Right click on it, then click on restart. After that, cut this window and restart your laptop. The next method you can try is disable power saving mode. For this, you have to again right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Device Manager. Click on Network Adapters, expand this option, then right click on your Wi-Fi driver, then click on Properties, then click on this Power Management tab, and now you have to untick this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device. After that, click on OK, cut this window and check. The next method you can try is update your Wi-Fi driver. For this, you have to again right click on this Windows icon, then click on Device Manager. Click on Network Adapters, expand this option, then right click on your Wi-Fi driver, then click on Properties, then click on this Driver tab, then click on this option Update Driver, then click on Search Automatically. So this will update your Wi-Fi driver, then click on Close. Click on Close, cut this window and then restart your laptop. Now move on to the next method, Advanced Network Reset. In this method, we will reset the network using command prompt. So click on this search box and then type CMD. You will see this kind of option command prompt. Right click on it, then click on Run as Administrator. Now you have to type few commands. So the first command will be type this command carefully, then press enter. After that, type the next command. Type this command carefully, then press enter. Now the final command will be this. Type this command carefully, then press enter. That's it. Cut this window and restart your laptop. So these are the few methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.